Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Today we are going to solve a problem from the Jobathon 31 hiring challenge. This challenge occurred on this month, March 21. Uh, so guys, we are going to the question. Uh, Here the problem name is number game. The problem name is number game. This problem is very one of the beautiful question, guys. This is a very beautiful question. This is very interesting question. You guys will enjoy this question. So guys, read the question. This question is very interesting. Read the question. So guys, number game, Geek appearing for a coding contest. The aim of the contest is to score exactly n points. The aim of the contest is to score exactly n point. He is given an integer k before the start of the contest. For each problem he solves during the contest, he is asked to choose an integer num and m power k is added to his score. Help Geek find number of problems he must solve achieve exactly n coins. Okay, for each different problem he can choose different values of m, but the value of k is same. For here um, here n value is varying from 1 to 20,000 and k values is varying from 1 to 29. Here that for n is equal to 13, k is equal to 2, he got the answer to it is. He can solve the problem in m is equal to 3, that m is equal to 2 for the second problem, and hence 3 square plus 2 square is equal to 30. So guys, the question meaning is, I will explain you the logic and the dry run. So you guys read the question first. You have to read the question unless you don't understand the solution. So guys, we are moving to the question. The problem is guys, if suppose uh, if suppose if we given 13 and k is equal to 2, we can get this 13 by 1 power k, means here k is 2, right? So 1 square plus 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 1 square, 1 2 3 1 2 3, like this, like that. 13 times we can write, right? So we will get the answer 13. And other thing is, if he given this number and k is equal to 2, okay, if 1 square plus 1 square plus, now we can write this 9 times, and then we can write 2 square also. That is also one possible way, right? That is also gives once. So we can change this base, but to here power is constant, power is equal to k, power is equal to k, and base can change. He can take the any base. Okay, for and we can write the 13 in 3 square plus 2 square also. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. That is also one possible way. uh, and we can write for suppose we can write any other ways, like uh, 1 square plus 1 square, 1 square plus 1 square, like 4 1 square, 4 1 square, then 3 square, right? So like that, after we can write, we can use 1 here, and we can write 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, like that 9 times we can write. Okay, 9 times we can write. So we can make that exactly 9. We have to make exactly 13 coins, and the power should be k, and base we can vary any number. Our coins length should be this. So guys, I am going to the I will explain you other logic, other example. For suppose if it is a number 25, if k is equal to 3, k is equal to 3, uh, guys, here so our task is here, our task is we have to find minimum number of ways, means minimum number of if we take the 3 square plus 2 square, here it is giving the minimum number, right? So we have to find minimum number of count here, minimum number of numbers required to get this coin here, means it is uh, the minimum number of points. Okay, problems. Okay, minimum when for solving for a problem he gets this many score, so we have to find minimum number of problems to solve the get this score. So here guys, here power is constant and base is varying, base is variable, and total value is also constant, right? Y given. Okay, this is, you have to put it in the mind. And for suppose if we take another example for 25 and k is equal to 3, right? 25 k is equal to 3, we can write 1 power cube 1 cube 1 cube 1 cube like that 25 times. This is also one way. We can write 2 cube 2 cube plus, like remaining part is 8 17, again 2 cube. Okay, then again 2 cube, so 8 plus 8 plus 8, right? 8 plus 8 plus, right? Here plus 1 cube plus 1, so our answer is, so this is 1. We can't write here 3 cube because 3 cube is 27, it is more than this. We have to get exactly k points. So guys, here guys, observe, this is a very interesting problem. Very this type of problem usually asked in the big companies. Like this is one of the important problem. I solved this problem after 3 attempts. I solved this problem after 3 attempts. I did 2 attempts wrong, then I solved this problem. If so guys, I am going to the, what I am doing is, here what I am doing is, I am taking on for loop. I am going from the 1 to power and I power of I comma k less than or equal to n, and I am moving. I am taking here answer variable into max here into max, then I am taking answer is equal to min of, here I am taking for the min of answer comma here answer comma 1 plus, why I am taking, because 1 here I am taking the present value n minus power of I comma k, guys, power of I comma k here, and I am returning answer. So here the n is up to 20,000, right? N is up to 20,000. So this we are doing, this is in recursion. Okay, so if n is equal to 0, in that case I am returning 0. Okay, so here n is 20,000 means we have to call all the iterations, so it become very lengthier. So for that purpose I am using here dynamic programming, DP. I am storing the previous answers, then I am using that answers again. Okay guys, here what I am doing is this problem is similar to minimum square problem. Minimum square. There k is constant, k is always 2. So this problem here the k is varying, that is simple. These both problems are same, but here k is varying. There we use I into I square, here power of I into k, like these both are same problem, guys. And another thing is, here I am writing pseudocode. uh, Pseudocode is here if n is equal to 0, I am returning 0. Okay, and I am for I is equal to 1 to power of I comma k less than or equal to n I plus plus. Here answer is equal to min of answer comma 1 plus n minus power of I comma k. I am returning answer. That's it. You will understand more better by the code. Here I am doing the dry run also. Here if it is here guys, what I am doing is here if for suppose it is 13 and k is equal to 2, I am going from that I am going from the 1, right? 1, then I am going to 2, then I am going to 3, then we can't go because 4 square is more than 13, right? We can't go further. So here we subtracting k power of 1 minus 1 minus 2 means here in next iteration it is become 10. Here it is next iteration it become what? It become power of here 4 means it becomes 7. Here it next iteration it becomes 4. Why? Because here that 13 minus power of 2 power 3, 13 minus 2 power 3, sorry it is 5, right? Here it become 5. Here also uh, 13 minus 2 into 2, so 13 minus 2 into 2 is 4, sorry it is 9. Okay, and here power of 1 power 2 means 1 means 13 minus 1, this is what? 12. Okay, this is 13. Like that again I am calling, again I am moving from I is equal to 1 to power of I comma k less than n. Here the loops run up to 12 only. Here the loops run up to power of I less than k less than or equal to n. So guys, this is the db problem. Somewhat it is somewhat you may get confused by this uh, this diagram. So you will understand more better by the code, but guys you have to know the previous knowledge of the recursion to solve this problem, otherwise you will get confused. So what I am doing is uh, here first I am uh, I am returning, I am taking one helper function, helper n k, yeah I am taking this helper function, this helper into k. If n is equal to 0, I am just returning 0, returning 0. Now I am running the loop. Here I may be I can be anything. Here k may be anything, sorry. I am checking power of I comma k is less than or equal to n. I am doing this I plus plus. Now I am taking one max variable, int answer is equal to int max. Now what I am doing is answer is equal to min of answer comma 1 plus, here I am taking one temporary variable. Why I am to understand more better I am doing this power of, to understand simply power of I comma k. Okay, now I am submitting, now I am helper, I am passing helper n minus temp comma k. Now in the place of n we are passing n minus temp is power of I minus I comma k. Okay, here this is our code, and now return answer. My output is 3, my internet is slow today, so here I am submitting this code now. it's showing TLE. To reduce a TLE, what I am doing is dynamic programming. Why I am using dynamic programming here? Because there is a repetition is possible, right? Here I am you for here I got 12. From 12 I definitely get 9 also, right? Why? Because here we can go from that, if we subtract from 12, if we subtract what 1 if we subtract 1 3 times, then we get 9. So if we know the value of previous value of 9, then we can use it here, right? That is I am doing here. This is, you must know, you must have the previous knowledge of recursion, then only you can understand this. Otherwise if you don't know previous knowledge of recursion, you do this tree, take the paper and pen and you solve this problem, so you will understand. So guys, what I am doing is here n value is maximum, n value is into dp 20,000. I am taking 20,000, 20,001 minus 1 here. dp of n is equal to answer if dp of n is not equal to minus 1, then I am returning dp of n. That's it. So we are taking the answers which are calculated before. So we are reducing the time complexity like that. Here guys, vector, where I did wrong. $20,000 here. Why I took the 20,001 means here n value may vary up to, n is up to 20,000. Here vector int, okay, vector int dp sorry, here it is answer, right? So I have to declare the answer. Now I will get the correct answer. If dp of n is not equal to minus 1, then I am doing just guys, I am is not equal to minus 1, I am returning that. Here why I got the error, integer is correct here, vector int dp just wait guys. Here what I did is just I am taking this here. I will know the reason why that is not executing now. Here n plus 1 comma minus 1. Here it is db array dv dv dv. Now I am submitting this code. I don't know where I did wrong. Now I got the correct answer. Now I am submitting this. Yeah, it submitted successfully. It satisfies all test cases. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comments. I will know the reason why I got it's not get executed when I declare the vector in globally. This is the correct solution. We can do this problem in this way. This is one of the very beautiful problem. It is very interesting question. So I pick this. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comments, and please do subscribe my channel. Please like my videos. Thank you guys.